नमस्ते बच्चों। होप यू ऑल आर सेफ एंड हैप्पी। आज हम हिंदी का बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर पढ़ने वाले हैं। वो है वर्ण विचार, फोनोलॉजी। टू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी लैंग्वेज देयर इज अ बेसिक नीड, दैट इज वर्ण। आइए इसके बारे में विचार करते हैं। लेट्स सी व्हाट इज वर्ण। ध्वनियों के लिए लिखे जाने वाले रूप को वर्ण या अक्षर कहते हैं। Now what is dhvani here? Dhvani means sound. For example, a dog is barking. For us, it is a sound. We can't understand anything from that sound. But for dog, it is language. With that barking sound, the dog is trying to express its thoughts. Might be, and another dog can understand that. In the same way, whatever we are talking, it is language for us. We are expressing our thoughts and feelings. And another human can understand that and give reply. But for a dog, it is just a sound, that's all. In ancient period, people only expressed their feeling by making sounds. Then slowly, they started to use some definite sounds, means talking. Then they thought about writing, means giving definite symbols for the sounds which comes from their mouth. Then they gave symbols for each sound. That symbols are called letters. So, dhvani means sound and the symbols which was given for the sound is varna या अक्षर means letter. भाषा की सबसे छोटी ध्वनि जिसके और टुकड़े नहीं हो सकते वे वर्ण कहलाते हैं। वर्णों के मेल से शब्द बनते हैं। By joining the letters, we are making words. And by joining the words in a proper order, we are making sentences. For example, Kumar. This is a word. We can break this like k plus u plus m plus a plus r plus a. These are the small pieces and we can't break these sounds anymore. So, these are the letters by which the word Kumar made up of. Basically, two types of letters are there in Hindi. You know that very well. What are that? स्वर, व्यंजन। वर्ण के दो भेद होते हैं, वे हैं स्वर और व्यंजन। Now, let's see about swar. I know that you all knows the swar letters very well. And what are that? A, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Ah. We will speak about this ah later. Okay, now you tell me why only these letters are coming under swar. There are some more letters in Hindi like k, ch, ma. Why these letters are not under swar? So, there must be a reason for this separation as swar and vyanjan, right? The reason is all these letters which are comes under swar are independent sounds. They are not pronounced by the help of some other sounds. ये स्वतंत्र ध्वनियाँ होती हैं। इन्हें बोलने के लिए किसी अन्य वर्ण की सहायता नहीं लेनी पड़ती है। So, how many swar letters are there? 11. Now, you must be thinking about the last two letters, right? Let's see about that. As we saw now, swar letters are independent sounds. Now you pronounce in this a sound, with that we are getting sound. Now pronounce aha. In this with a sound, her sound also there. So these can't be swar letters. They comes under ayogvah. So these two letters are called ayogvah. ये ना तो स्वर होते हैं और ना ही व्यंजन। इनका उच्चारण व्यंजनों की तरह स्वर की सहायता से होता है। सो Ayogwah letters are not comes under both Swar and Vyanjan. Like Vyanjan letters, these letters also getting help from Swar letters. In Ayogwah, two letters are there. One is Anuswar and the other one is Visarg. अनुस्वर नाक से बोले जाते हैं means this sound comes from nose. Its symbol is one dot above the letter. Example: sa, n, it, sant, shant, jungle, panka, adi. Visarg is pronounced like ha and its symbol is two dots. Example: pratah, atah, punah, namah, adi. Now comes Anunasik, Chandrabindu. You know this, right? This sound is pronounced from mouth and nose and its symbol is Chandrabindu, means shape of crescent moon in that a dot. अनुनासिक स्वर वे होते हैं जो स्वर मुख और नाक से बोले जाते हैं जिसका सूचक चिन्ह चंद्र बिंदु होता है, जैसे आंख, हंसना, ऊंट आदि. व्यंजन. Let's see the second type of letters and it's Vyanjan. Okay, why these letters comes under this category? Swar letters are independent letters. So, those letters are called in one name. So, obviously, Vyanjan letters are, yes, dependent letters. व्यंजन स्वतंत्र नहीं होते. इन्हें बोलने के लिए स्वरों की सहायता लेनी पड़ती है. सभी व्यंजनों में अ स्वर मिला हुआ होता है. हिंदी में 33 व्यंजन हैं. Means these letters are pronounced with help of swar. And in all the व्यंजन letters, a sound is there. K is ik plus a. K is ik plus a. Ch is ich plus a. There are 33 व्यंजन letters are there. And that are k varg, k, kh, g, gh, ng, ch, ch, j, j, ny, t, th, d, ध, न, त, थ, द, ध, न, प, फ, ब, भ, म, य, र, ल, व, स, श, स, ह. संयुक्त व्यंजन means combined letters. These letters are made by mixing of two व्यंजन letters. दो व्यंजनों के मेल से बने वर्ण संयुक्त व्यंजन कहलाते हैं. And the संयुक्त व्यंजन letters are इक्ष, त्र, ज्ञ, श्र. How it comes? Ik plus sh, iksh. Ij plus ज्ञ, इज्ञ. It plus r, tra. Ish plus ra, shra. And some examples for this samyukta vyanjan letters. Iksh, kshama, kshatriya, kaksha. Ignya, gyan, gyani, yajna. Tra, tribhuj, trishul, trikon. Shra, shram, shraddha, shravan. Let's learn the different forms of ra. First one is Swatantra Roop, means normal ra. Second one is without a swar. Ir plus a makes ra. You know this. If we remove a from that, it will remain as ir. It is called a ref. See, its symbol is like a hook. it is put on top of a vyanjan and pronounced before that vyanjan. And the third one is called padhen ra, and it is put below the vyanjan. But when we put this padhen, that vyanjan will become swar rahit. Means that vyanjan will be pronounced without a, and ra will be pronounced fully with a. Now let's see different forms of ra in words. र सामान्य रूप में, कर, रख, नीर, करन. Now second form means ref, charma. Cha first, then we have to pronounce ir, ma. First cha, second ir, third ma. Charma, dharma, kartavya, karmat. Next one is padendra. Ik, ra, ma. As I said, ka becomes without a. Ik, ik, ra, ma. Krama, brahma, kadra, vigrah. See here, we don't put it just below the letter. We insert it. Wherever we can fit it, we insert it at the joints of the letter. For ta and da alone, there is a different symbol for padendra. See here, ta, below that padendra ki symbol. Tra, ik, truck, राष्ट्र, ड्रम. ट और ड वर्ण के साथ स्वर सहित रा रूप. Okay. We have seen there are 11 swer letters and 33 vyanjan letters. Varna means letter. Varnamala means group of letters arranged in a proper order. For example, Varna is like a flower and Varnamala is like a garland which has collection of flowers arranged in a beautiful way. So, वर्ण के निश्चित और क्रमबद्ध समूह को वर्णमाला कहते हैं. हिंदी में 44 वर्ण हैं, 11 स्वर और 33 व्यंजन हैं. Now we know swear letters and vyanjan letters. Are these two are enough to make lots of words? No, right? For making words, we need some more sounds. For that, we are going to add swear letters with vyanjan letters. For that, we have created some symbols for swear letters. For adding these swear letters with vyanjan letters, we are going to use that symbols instead of the full swear letters. Okay? व्यंजन के साथ लगने वाले स्वर के विशेष चिन्ह मात्रा कहलाते हैं. प्रत्येक स्वर को अपनी मात्रा होती है. You know these matras very well. See here it is given. अ की कोई मात्रा नहीं होती है. It has no symbols because सभी व्यंजनों में अ स्वर मिला हुआ होता है. See, आ की मात्रा should come after the vyanjan letter. ई की मात्रा before the vyanjan. ई after. उ below the vyanjan letter. उ below. री below. ये above the letter. I above the letter. O after the letter and above also. Au after the letter in the same way like O. Now you know all the matras of swear. Children, I hope you all are now clear about Hindi letters. By learning this, you can avoid your spelling mistakes and learn the language properly. धन्यवाद बच्चों.